talking about you as an actor, you are working with Arbaz Khan now. So what is
Yeah.
the reason that made you release it?
Well, I won't say that this was really very much planned. It was just that I wanted to do something better, so I had taken a leap from my web series, which I was doing earlier, and I was just focusing on my dancing skills. And then all of a sudden, I got this offer, and I grabbed onto it. It's very much of a manifestation thing, I can say.
Troll critics and the finished label. Kushi, you
Hmm.
have been labeled finished multiple times, but you have always launched track. What would you
Yeah.
say to this? Who still doubt your comeback? Is there anyone in the industry whose criticisms stung the most?
Well, see, I am very strong-headed. What people talk about me or what people tell me doesn't really affect me much because this is how the beginning of my career was. When I was in school, I was just 3 or 4 years old when I decided that I wanted to be an actress. And as I grew up, since I was one of the toppers of my batchmates, so people used to troll me saying that I look nerdy and I used to wear specs and braces. People used to body shame me. So nobody believed that I could ever be what I wanted to. But I had that confidence and I knew that wherever I want to reach, I will. People did finish me, people did label me as I'm finished or whatever, but it was never that. I always took decisions from my heart. I did whatever I felt like. So I did mytho shows, I did movies, I did reality shows, and then I went for something bold as well because I wanted to experiment as an actress. Yes, while shifting from bold series to Bollywood, people forgot actually that I could act or I am a good actress as well. And once there was an incident that happened, so I would not name someone, so they just messaged me. He was one of the Bollywood directors and he was like, Kushi, would you like to do a movie? I was like, yeah, surely. So do you want me to do a dance number in it? And he was like, no, I want you to be one of the main leads. I was like, oh wow, okay, sure. So he's like, when could you come down for a meeting? I said, okay, I'll come down today itself. I went to his office. Then he started talking to me, and then later on, he's like, you know what? You've done a couple of shows which you shouldn't have done. I mean, I would have loved offering you the lead role for my movie, but then I don't know how should I convince my finances. Do you personally want to convince them? And I'm like, what? I just felt for a moment that it's okay. It's not that something he found out at that moment that I am doing bold shows or bold series. He knew earlier as well, and he could have simply told that to me on phone, and why would he waste my time and his time as well? So that was the moment I felt a little hurt, but I did not express it to him. And I kept dancing, and I always believed in my talent. So I obviously I am a human being. I do have emotions, but it's okay. I think my belief stood by me, and I stood by my belief, and finally I got what I wanted to.
Breaking the boldness stereotype, you have mentioned breaking the stereotype that actors who take a bold role can't make it to mainstream leads. So do you think boldness is misunderstood in the industry? And
Um,
does that
yeah.
add unnecessary pressure on actors like yourself?
Earlier, I think there was a thin line when film industry people would not consider people from television, or they would categorize bold film actors, I would say. See, as an actress who did not don onto a bikini, or who did not perform a kissing scene, I think very few might have not. But if you are talented, if you are a good actor, or if you are good with your skills, I don't think that should set you back. So I don't think so.
Uh, you have mentioned your dream of working with Shah Rukh Khan. If you had to choose, would you rather share screen space with SRK in a romantic drama or in a high action thriller?
in a romantic drama, of course, because the reason why I wanted to be an actress is because of Shah Rukh Khan. I saw Shah Rukh Khan when I was 3 years old, maybe in Kolkata, 3 or 4 years old. He came down for a charity event with Juhi Chawla for Fir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani, and the kind of popularity and the fandom he received, that was the moment I decided that I want to be somebody like that.
Uh, the reality show Queen appeared in the several popularity reality show. How real is the drama or reality TV? Or is it all scripted for the cameras?
Okay.
Could you ever see a reality show pushing Maker the spin-off?
Well, I would say reality shows are not real, not completely real. Of course, they cannot give you a whole bunch of scripts that you have to learn and you have to tell them. It keeps a pressure on you. Uh, you have to keep thinking, what should my next move be, so that you can stay longer in that show. My first reality show was Splitsvilla season 10, and that was the time when I voted out myself that something like that ever happened in history, because I'm going on a date with someone for 10 minutes and you can't force yourself to fall in love with. And and then people started calling me dumb. People started thinking, oh, she doesn't have brain, that because that was how I was portrayed as. And since I'm so stubborn, I thought of doing another reality show. I did one more reality show, which was Love School season 3. And yes, a few of the moments, they were pre-planned by me, that yes, if I do this, I know that people are gonna look at it and all the cuts are gonna be on me. And that's how I survived till last, even without performing the task.
Bold content in South and beyond. So, do you think you have done bold content in both regional films and Hindi TV? Do you feel regional cinema is more accepting of bold compared to Bollywood? Or is the Bollywood finally catching up?
I haven't done anything bold in South. I did a Hindi movie. So I did 5 to 6 South Indian movies in the initial days when I started off my career. Then I was offered a Hindi movie. I was just 18 years old that time. I couldn't decide what to choose and what not to. And they dubbed it in all the regional languages possible, and they used it. I think maybe if it would have released at this point of time, the movie would have been quite good and it would have done good in the showbiz. But that time it did not. And yes, it had a little bad impact on my career.
Your upcoming film features you in a dance number alongside regional stars like Ravi Kishan and Kesari Lal.
Yeah.
So, do you think dance numbers are more impactful than traditional acting roles in today's cinema?
Not really. An actor can be a dancer, also a dancer can be an actor. So it's vice versa, but it's always like what you like the most. So I've been dancing since last 1.5 years regularly, and I'm a trained Bharatnatyam dancer since I was a kid. So I wanted to show off that talent of mine. I've been acting since so many years now.
You have described yourself as stubborn and go-getter. So, what's the most stubborn thing you have ever done for your career? And was it worth it in the end?
Finally, I think it was worth. So I decided to be an actress since maybe I was not even in first standard, and my parents thought that maybe my mind would change. I was good in studies, and when I was offered my first movie, I quit my studies after passing out from 11th standard. So that was a drawback for me. I did not complete my education. I don't even promote that, but now I think it was worth it.
Bold and beautiful in Bollywood. Do you believe the industry has started to embrace boldness more as it still a challenge for actresses like you to who push boundaries?
So I believe in this statement that I would rather exploit my glamour rather than getting exploited by anybody else. So if I have a body or if I have something that I have worked really hard on, and if I'm showing it, there's nothing wrong in it.
From South cinema to Bollywood, you have made the transition from South Indian cinema to Bollywood. What's the major difference you have noticed in the way actors are treated in the industry?
I like the discipline that is followed in South Indian cinema. Everything starts on their own time. The packup is at their own time, and the break and everything. I'm not saying that this is not in Bollywood, but since I'm quite new to Bollywood, so I'm not able to comment much about it.
Your upcoming film is the Hindi sequel to a highly successful regional movie. So, do you feel pressure to meet the high expectations set by the original, or is it the opportunity to redefine the story?
No, my competition was never with anybody else. It was always me versus me, like what I'm doing better than what I've done previously. And I think that it was very easy for me to perform on it since it's a Hindi song. I don't think I found any pressure working for it. No.
एज अ न्यू कमर आपको इन द सेंस कितनी तकलीफ हुई इंडस्ट्री में अपना पैर जमाने के लिए या कितनी स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ी
एज ए न्यू कमर अगर आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं है, नॉलेज नहीं है इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, तो आपको सही गलत, जेन्युइन फेक, इसमें डिफ्रेंशिएट करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. आपको पता नहीं होता है मेकअप कैसे करना है, अपने आप को ग्रूम कैसे रखना है, उसमें काफ़ी वक्त निकल जाता है. अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स, बुरे प्रोजेक्ट्स, फेक ऑडिशंस बहुत होते रहते हैं, फेक मीटिंग्स होते रहते हैं, कभी ओशीवारा में, कभी कहीं पे. तो काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है आपको.
हैव यू फेस्ड अ कास्टिंग काउच इशू इन योर करियर
I think it's not only in our industry, right? It's everywhere. People offer you, people don't rape you. So it's always up to you whether you want to accept it or you don't want to accept it.
डू यू थिंक मी टू मूवमेंट के बाद कुछ सरकार मतलब कि एक्ट्रेसेस जो अपकमिंग एक्ट्रेसेस हैं उन पर कुछ थोड़ी सरकार की है इस चीज़ को लेके
I think Me Too movement was all just like a publicity stunt. अगर आपके साथ कुछ हुआ था, आप उस पर तुरंत reciprocate करोगे. You wouldn't tell it after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years just because it has become a trend. So I don't support it.
लास्टली व्हाट्स योर मैसेज टू द फैंस
I would just want them to shower their love on me just the way they did since last so many years. It is going to be a new journey for me, a new start for me. And I want to thank everyone who kept this belief saying that you deserve to Bollywood industry. And I just want them to go to the theaters and watch me on big screen.